Welcome to Stow Car and Commercial in Chelmsford. Stow Car and Commercial is an RAC Approved BuySure retailer. That means that all of our vehicles pass for a strict 82-point RAC check in addition to our own workshop inspections. All vehicles are supplied with a minimum of 6 months RAC Platinum warranty in addition to 12 months RAC roadside assistance, both of which are included in the price. I do invite you to take a look at our 5-star reviews on Google, Auto Trader, car dealer reviews, and also directly on the RAC website in conjunction with Judged Service. We do work very hard to maintain a 5-star rating. This doesn't happen by accident, and that is the main purpose of these video presentations, to demonstrate the overall cosmetic appearance. You can leave the mechanical side to us. It's my pleasure to present this full transit custom camper van conversion today. Very, very nice vehicle, drives exactly as you would expect it to. Good specification as well. Please do note, if it requires a wet belt, we will replace this as part of our inspections. It's most likely this will receive a new full wet belt kit as part of its preparations. Paying close attention to the bodywork. Obviously it's an 18 plate vehicle, it's not brand new. There's bound to be something somewhere, but overall, as you've probably seen on my first walk round, it is virtually unmarked and in great condition for the age and mileage. Making my way along the driver's side, first of all, you'll notice that there are no nasty gouges, dents or dings that I can see. There's no cracks in the screen. By the way, the roof bars are included in the sale. We don't have the key for them, but they can be obtained from Fords. Looking along the side here, no nasty gouges or scratches. It's a couple of oh, that's mud actually. A couple of very light stone chips lower down just there. But as I make my way inside, there's a little one there that we'll touch in. Inside you'll see it's not been abused in any way. It smells fresh and clean. There's one tiny hole there on the seat, and that's just a mark that I think would wipe off. But overall inside in good condition, no excessive wear on the seat base, bolster or on the buttons. Same as you look here, no chunks out of plastic trim, everything looks as it should. Little scratch just there. Rear panel, no nasty ripples, gouges or dents. I did notice a very slight sort of trolley dink somewhere. There's a couple there. I don't think you'll even see them. They're very minor, but we do aim to point everything out. This socket here doesn't actually work. It was put here originally by the original owner, but now the system is slightly different, which I'll explain to you in a minute. So that doesn't work. It can be made to work, but it doesn't work at the moment. On the kit corner here, there's no nasty gouges, dents or dings on the corner, on the bumper. The lights aren't cracked. A couple of very light little dinks just here. I don't think you'll even see them again in the video. They are minor, but they are there. But you can't actually really see them. Making my way inside. As you know, camper conversion. Rock and roll bed. And you've got your cabinets here. In this cabinet here, just got storage, and then in this one here, this is your electric hookup. If you're on site and you want to get mains power, you can do by using this. It's got its self-built-in fuses, and obviously you've got 3 plug sockets there as well. So that's how you'd get your power. Passenger side, you'll be pleased to say it's exactly the same. No ripples, no dents, no dings, no scratches that I can see. Alloy wheel is unmarked. If we missed something very, very minor, it's certainly not deliberate. But I can't see anything that would put anybody off. And inside, good specification. Nice wood table there. You have your toilet in here. I haven't tested it. And in here you have running water when you turn it on up there, and also a double ring hob. Now this is all powered by a very, very nice lithium battery. When I can open the door, bear with me. So in here you've got your gas safe bottle. It is a requirement that all camper vans have that. So if there is gas escape, it goes down rather than up. You've got water for your tap there. Now this is a lovely bit of kit. This is a lithium Ecoflow battery. You can remove it from the vehicle if you want to. You can charge it in the vehicle. You can charge it outside. We charged that over a month ago. It's still got 98%, but we haven't been using it a lot. But that is where all your power comes from, okay? In there. This is a pop-up socket if you want it. There's 4 sockets here, and your control panel is just here. So overall, very, very nice. I'm going to quickly whiz round because this video cuts 6 minutes. So, as you can see here, I've got 30 seconds left. Condition in the front as well is very good. I'd always expect some stone chips on the front end, but I did struggle to see any at all. Overall, a very well presented, low mileage camper with service history. There's a couple of little stone chips lower down just there. Expect a few on any used vehicle. Overall, very, very nice indeed. Give us a call in the office if you'd like to discuss or reserve. This is Stow Car and Commercial in Chelmsford.